If you want to edit the control center on iPhone 17, it is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the control center, and then you can, for example, tap on this plus button in the upper left corner like this. And now, as you can see, we can customize the size of buttons that we already have added. You can also press and hold your finger on the button in order to move it around, so you can pretty much place it into any of these positions. And in addition to that, you can scroll through all of these different pages in order to customize them as well. You can even create a new page if you want to. And also we can press add a control at the bottom of the screen in order to add something new. And if you want to disable or remove something, actually, you can press on this minus button in the upper left side of that button. If you want to stop editing, you can just tap anywhere where we have an empty space. And another way to start editing the control center is by pressing and holding your finger on an empty space in the control center. This works as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.